Is he moody?
Yeah, he's moody.
No.
Of course, he just keeps himself.
Look what he's doing.
Yeah.
Gauri, you have no control over him anymore.
I just control.
The country is watching, so she won't hit me in public. She promised me not in public. She'll never physically abuse me in public. One of the vows.
Is he hyper in other ways? Does he have to be activated all the time?
Yeah, he's very restless. He's very restless. It's like control him, kind of like relax, you know, go and have a bath and...
Like, down boy, down.
Yeah, and then he's a little, you know, calmer. You have to really like tell him now, you know, forget your work and just, you know, relax. Then he's fine. Otherwise, you know, he's all the time so hyper and he's so active.
I'm sounding a little mentally deranged, no? The she's talking about Mickey comes down and we calm him down, then we give him some Prozac and then we say, okay, relax now. Relax, you can do it.
Sometimes
You can do
hold
it.
his hand and just relax.
Electric shock and stuff.
Just let yourself
You have to do that. You're very down to earth. I find you very well grounded.
Yeah, that's what I like about her actually, because she's completely opposite to what I am. I'm hyper, she's calm. I'm, you know, a workaholic. She's like, whatever happens, she's very cool and relaxed. She can take a holiday. I'm good looking.
Non-ambitious. Non-ambitious.
The fool at home, I mean, is he entertaining at home?
Yeah, he only makes... I guess that's how I get along. He is only...
Yeah, that's what she tells everyone, that she married me because I can make her laugh.
He's major entertainment at home.
Does he sing to you?
He jumps and he sings and he dances
I can dance,
and
I can sing.
comes.
You serenade her?
He doesn't
I can't sing to save my life.
Foul voice.
And she tells me
What do you mean?
Yeah, a
Terrible.
very bad voice.
Like, I've got to hear it now.
तुझे देखा तो ये जाना सनम. Not bad.
Carry on.
No, I think he should stop.
दीवाना सनम. I think I'm a bad.
Next line.
Okay, I'll sing you a Qawwali now. कभी कभी मेरे दिल में ख्याल आता
Okay,
है.
brilliant.
Okay, but it won't sound so good. I've sung it. Okay.
I'll take my chance.
At all.
Boy, let me do it. कभी कभी मेरे दिल में ख्याल ये आता है कि जैसे तुझको बनाया गया है मेरे लिए.
This is terrible.
Qawwali form of कभी कभी. What are you saying? You've not heard half of it yet. तू अब से पहले सितारों में बस रही थी कहीं, तुझे जमीन पे टाड़ाऊं, तुझे जमीन पे बुलाया गया है मेरे लिए. Okay, you clap with me. I'll sing. This is
Okay, I'll clap.
कभी कभी मेरे दिल में ख्याल आता है कि जैसे तुझको बनाया गया है मेरे लिए. तू अब से पहले अल्लाह, तू अब से पहले सितारों में बस रही थी कहीं.
Shahrukh seems very protective about you. Is it protectiveness or possessiveness?
It was
very
his turn to protect him.
I'm such a
I was very possessive. I was like a dog.
He was
I
disgusting.
was
He was
cheap.
sick.
I was downright vulgar and sick.
He wouldn't let me wear a white shirt because he thought that...
It was transparent.
Yeah.
I wouldn't let you. I mean, like if you were my girlfriend, you would not be allowed out of the house. Open air and white clothes, no way. I mean, you would be.
It's a kink in the mind, I think.
We had, I mean, I knew her, but nobody knew that I knew her. So, you know, there was this whole feel of lack of ownership, which whether it's a man or a woman, I think it has, both of them want to have it. So one just felt like, you know, somehow to control, and I guess I'd become very cheap. I enjoyed that cheapness, though.
How did you deal with it?
And left him.
That wasn't
Did she really?
No, she always lusted for me, and
No.
I'm telling you, she was hyper about me.
He had to learn because I said, okay, otherwise, see me.
Actually, you've often said that you play second fiddle to Gauri.
He loves to say it.
I just say it.
He
These
doesn't
things I just say it so that she feels like, okay, I'm most important, but actually, I'm doing all the doing.
Does he play second fiddle to you, Gauri?
No way, I don't think so. No. Because he just give me importance.
No, I genuinely, they don't understand. No, she's wrong in this. She thinks I like to give importance. I enjoy the little things she does. I think it's wonderful. It's not, I don't really compare it to Picasso or Mr. Hussain or anyone, but I think it is wonderful that she paints. And I like people who are creative, whatever little they do. Like even I like the way that she danced.
Actually, I love it that if he I would create. If he does it, I just like to say that, oh, you know, he's just saying it. But actually, I enjoy every bit of whatever, you know,
I'm sure you
importance I get.
What's the the dumbest thing you've done in the name of love? You must have done lots of dumb things.
Oh, loads of them.
Tell me
Millions of
something.
them I've done. She'd come for a holiday here with her friends, and I searched for her every day and night in Bombay. And I thought Bombay was only till Haji Ali, and I didn't know Bombay because I just seen films Marine Drive, so I said that was Bombay. And I looked for. And the day I was supposed to go, I knew she liked swimming, so I asked, is there any beach here apart from, Chowpatty? And they said, yeah, it's one Sardaji met me, the taxi guy, and he said, oh, you both beach hai, chalo, asli le jante. Oh, he took me to Juhu Beach. This is also Bombay. And then I really did find her on a beach.
Just by chance.
To drown him in the sea. That was the only thing.
You see the
So
difference?
you suddenly saw him standing there in front of
I
you.
was there, and then, I met her.
And it's so strange that now I really feel like I love it, that he did so much. I really feel it. Just wanted to kill him because I had come for a holiday. I wanted to do the whole thing, be with my friends.
And the whole point was that.
The last thing I wanted was to see his face.
And
So
I
now
did the sun
I
was
think,
setting, there was sea, and I met her, and it was wonderful.
and now I
heard
feel
music.
Like
Yes, I heard music.
Tell me, what does Gauri make you feel?
What I get from her is a sense of calm, and the sense of, I see her, and I call her queen. I say, you like a queen, and I'm so happy that somebody is having calmness because of the amount of work I do and the way I am. Somebody's enjoying it. And I find it wonderful that she's enjoying
And
it.
you
So it makes
need
me-
that.
Yeah, I need that, and she compliments that. Maybe I'm not calm, but I see someone so close to me who's just completely at peace with this world. The thing is that she's very real. She's unlike an actor or say someone like me who's not very real, who's never himself. She's, I think, complete contrast is I'm an actor because I don't like being Sharat. She is Gauri because she loves being Gauri. And then that's really wonderful because I find very few people who are satisfied. I don't think they have a life of ambition. I don't hold it against them that they don't have drive. I think it's the greatest gift God can give you is to make you happy with yourself. And I don't believe in touching wood. She's so much at peace with herself. And I hope, the only reason that I stick to her, people ask me questions like, how come you never, do this, and actors are supposed to be like this, which is completely hogwash. But I always stick to her because I do not want to be responsible for taking this peace away from her. That's really the reason. It's not that I want to make her happy. I don't want to make her happy, tell you very sincerely. I just don't want this calmness and this peaceness to be destroyed by me. And, she's not like saintly. She's not like she wants to, leave everything and do puja and stuff. She's not like that. She's just a person and at peace with herself, which I don't want to spoil it ever.
But what makes you need him so much?
I guess I'm married to him, so I need him. Apart from that, I don't know. Just being with him for so long, I guess we've learned to, just to him, I guess now. I'm just used to him. There's nothing.
Bad habit. What is this one quality you think that sets your marriage apart from others?
No, I guess everybody has to work towards their married life. You just can't say that, we are married and it's going to be perfect. Everything is fine. You just have to give him, both have to work towards it. You just can't just sit back and
Actually,
say,
we had a very long time period before we sort of got to be with each other. For the 7-8 years, there's this yearning when you're not really close. And the absence makes it hard to a fonder kind of thing. So for 7-8 years when we knew each other, we could not really be in close proximity because, we just didn't get to see each other too often and stuff. So once we got married, it was for us like, it was like an affair.
To just stick by.
So then a genuine affair started, for 3-4 years. It was a genuine affair. When you see a girl, you can take her out and be with her and, go dancing and, just hang around with her. So I think and out of this affair, we've just had a child. So now we have to get married.
You are absolutely right. That's exactly how you appear. You just appear to be lovers, having an affair, having fun.
Yeah, but now we have to get married. With kid and all, we have to get married. Now we decided we have to get married now.
Chalo ho jaye. Might
Now
as
we'll
well.
do it. One of these days we'll get married.
Legitimize it.
Yeah.
I agree.
Actually, I'll tell her, will you marry me?
My hands are so ugly that I just want to not
It's okay,
show
I love
them.
you with your ugly hands too.
Talia.
We'll be married on your show now.
Wish you a very happy married life.
Thank you very
Both
much.
of you. Thank you so much for this
You do
project.
come for the reception, please.
Shall do.